Want free legal advice? All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and I will answer your question that you leave in the comments area if you are a subscriber. In today's weekly video, I wanted to discuss what happens if someone in a car crash does not have insurance. Let's assume that there was 2 cars involved in the crash. And first we'll talk about a scenario if you or your loved one did not have car insurance at the time of the crash. Passengers are not affected if they are in a car that does not have insurance. They get the medical bills paid, pain and suffering, and everything. The ones who do get affected are the driver or the registered owner of the car which is in the car crash. There's a proposition called Proposition 213, which limits recovery for the driver or registered owner of an uninsured car. You can still get your medical bills paid, but you don't get money for pain and suffering. So that's the limit. We still take on those cases. We can still get you the medical treatment that you need to get better and get those bills paid for you. The other scenario is if the other person does not have car insurance, the person who hit you. Now, you cannot recover money from their insurance for your injuries. However, if you have uninsured motorist coverage, then you can make a claim against your insurance to get paid for your medical bills and your pain and suffering and any loss of earnings. The insurance companies, when you sign up with them, they have an obligation to offer you uninsured motorist. So it's a really good idea to get that coverage. A third example is underinsured motorist coverage. That's, say that you've sustained a severe injury. And in California, drivers only need to purchase a $15,000 policy limit. Say that your case is worth $100,000 and the other driver has the minimum liability $15,000. If you have an uninsured motorist or underinsured motorist coverage policy and you bought policy limits larger than $15,000, we can recover the $15,000 from the other driver and then make a claim against your underinsured motorist coverage for the difference, whatever is covered under your policy. And don't be afraid to make a claim against your insurance company if you were at not fault for the crash. In California, it is illegal to raise insurance rates on someone when they're in a car crash that was not their fault. So we handle those cases also. I hope that this answered your question as to what happens if someone does not have car insurance at the time of a car crash. Make sure to leave your questions in the comments area so that I can answer them and be your go-to lawyer. Thank you.